Good evening, friends. Welcome to Adra IAS Academy Pollachi. Today, we are going to see about the block imposed by the center on the Telegram messaging app, as well as the reasons behind it, and what are all the sections involved in this content. Okay. So, first one, have to note that Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000. So, what this section says is that it authorizes the Union government to block the any public information site via either it can be computer resources or including applications or any websites. Okay, the government has the power to block if it is satisfied that such blocking will be necessary in few circumstances. The few circumstances given are in the interest of Indian sovereignty and integrity, defense of state, security of the state, friendly relation with foreign states, public order, and preventing the incitement to the commission of any cognizable offense, that is law and order problem. So, however, we have to note here that whenever this blanket ban is imposed, you have to note that it violates the Article 19 under the under the Constitution of India, that is the freedom of speech and expression. So, Article 19 1A of the Constitution, which protects the freedom of speech and expression, is being violated. Therefore, the orders under Section 9, Section 69 must be should be issued with procedural safeguards and have to be taught deeply. So here what you have to note is that Section 69A of IT Act, and then you have also take the look at how it violates the freedom of speech under Article 19. One more thing what they are telling is that we have the establishment called as the Information Technology Procedure and Safeguard for blocking access to information by the public, rules 2009. So according to this rules only, this block has been imposed by the government. And one more thing you have to note from the previous Supreme Court judgment is the Anuradha Bhasin case, where they have said that the blanket ban on Jammu and Kashmir, the judgment was given on that aspect, where the internet access was restricted in the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. So this was violative of Article 19 1A and 1G, that is freedom of speech and expression as well as the occupation. So one more thing, Supreme Court has come up with the test of proportionality. What does the test of proportionality means is that whether that law is necessary really, you have to have the less restrictive measures available. You need to use the least restrictive measures and not the most restrictive measures. That is the second one. And that law, whatever you impose, should be open to judicial review. These three was set by the Supreme Court of India during the restrictions on the Article 19. Okay, in that angle, you can use these case laws for writing mains. So this is the gist. But however, you have to know why did the government ban the Telegram app. Now, there were apprehensions like the leak of NEET UG question paper through the Telegram channels, and there are a lot of complaints and issues raised because of anonymity in Telegram. So that were also the reason. And government says that surely we not want to repeat once more like the leakage of newspapers through the Telegram app. And that's the reason they are imposing blockade until 22 of June. So this was the reason given by the government. And then you, in this aspect, you have to know the Section 79 also, which is called as the safe harbor provision. If at all, that is where the intermediaries like the WhatsApp or Telegram, they are not responsible for any third-party content posted in that channel. The government will be safeguarding those intermediaries when these mobile applications or these platforms work in due diligence, as soon as on receiving the complaints from the government, or they will take down the content immediately. So if you take down the content immediately, then they will use the safe harbor provisions. If not, they will block the app like this. Okay. So what do you think, whether the blocking of this Telegram app is necessary, or in any sense, whatever you think, you can comment in the section below. Okay. Thank you.